It does not matter what video editing software you use, these basic video editing cuts are easy and essential to use in your videos, so heads up. Alright, so today I'm going over 5 basic video editing cuts that are easy to use and can take your video editing skills to the next level. No matter what skill level you're on right now or what editing software you use, if you master these easy cuts, it should result in better videos. First one, the standard cut. This is basically the end of one scene and the start of another scene. It's basically just putting 2 clips together with no fancy transitions, just basic side-by-side clips. Cut number 2, which is a jump cut. Nothing fancy, but still adds a specific effect of jumping around the scene with the intent of speeding up time. Sometimes this cut is used for comedic effect or just to show the passing of time, but this cut usually takes one long video clip and cuts it at specific places in the middle and then puts all the clips together as one piece. Now the next one is really common and we see it all the time, we just don't really realize it, and this is the J cut. Now this cut basically leads into the next scene with the audio first. This allows the audience to know what's going to happen next and basically builds up anticipation. All you have to do is to drag the audio clip of the next video clip onto the end of the first current clip that you're watching right now. And as you can see, if you want to know why it's called a J cut, well, it makes a form of a J between the current clip and the audio right underneath it. Now this next one is an L cut, which is exactly the same as the J cut but in reverse. This is when the audio from the current clip overlaps into the next scene, and this is basically really good for conversational scenes where it leads you to the next piece of content with the audio continuing on. Now the next type of cut or editing style, if you will, is a montage. It's pretty simple. It's just sequences of clips of scenes over an extended period of time that demonstrates progress or change. We can see this in training scenes or even a quick time lapse that shows a goal being achieved. Now these were my picks for the 5 most essential video editing cuts that I thought a beginner or anyone else starting with video editing should know about. Now obviously there is more types of video editing cuts out there that I didn't cover in this video, but these are the most common that I've seen out there and pretty good entryway to start discovering more techniques when it comes to video editing. Now like I said before, it does not matter what kind of video editing software you use. As long as you learn these cuts and try to implement them in your videos, you will obviously increase your skill level and knowledge when it comes to editing techniques and much more. So hopefully this brief introduction opened up a spectrum of editing knowledge out there, even though if we're starting with the basic stuff. But that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions, let me know, but thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.